Have you ever spent hours making a single t-shirt for a print-on-demand business only to find out that it will look bad and you don't have any marketing? That's green is striding is not in, but in 2025, Flowith will change the game by letting you make amazing ready-to-sell merchandise in minutes that could make you $500 or more a month on Etsy or Redbubble even if you don't know how to design. So without wasting any time, let's get into the details of how to do it. So today I'm going to show you a great way to use Flowith to make a full set of print-on-demand designs that could realistically make you $500 or more a month once they are live and selling. I tried this out myself, and in just one short session I made a line of adventure themed merchandise that looked like it was made by a professional. And the best part, you don't need an art degree to do it. People on X are talking about how it's cutting design time by 60 to 80% and helping hobbyists making up to 70% more sales. And if you don't know what Flowith is, then Flowith is started in 2024 and its game-changing agent Neo come out more recently. Now everyone can play it at Flowith.io, so let's go over it step by step so you can give it a try. Okay, so how does Flowith become your secret weapon for making money with print on demand? So start with a flow mode, which is like an endless digital playground for your ideas. Forget about Reddit chatbots. Here everything connects and flows smoothly. So what you have to do is first go to Flowith.io, the link in the description, and get the free starter plan. It gives you 1000 one-time credits, which is enough to try out basic models and even the lightweight agent Neo. Then when you log in, click the new canvas button on the left side of the screen and boom, you are in the zone. And if you want your t-shirt to have an adventure travel feel, you could drop a node and ask for 5 unique vector illustration of epic hikes with quotes like Wonder Often. Flowith use models like Dolly or Stable Diffusion to quickly make high resolution images. You can also move those nodes around and change the prompt on the fly. For example, you could change it to a desert vibe instead and the whole branch will update right away. It's like mind mapping and magic combined to keep your creative flow going. Also, to make those designs more likely to work for POD, add more nodes. Add one for variation, make color playlists in earthy tones for these pictures that are best for printing on clothes. Flowith run things in parallel so you can get a lot of things ready in seconds. And this is genuinely great for mugs, hoodies and more. You can also unlock video models if you upgrade to the professional plan, which costs around $16 a month and is billed yearly. This means you could even make a short promo videos like a 15-second clip of your design on a model, but the image generator in the free trial is great for getting started with static POD uploads. Now use the knowledge garden, which is like a second brain to take it to the next level. Flowith takes a PDF of hot POD trends or your own inspiration board and break it down into smart sheets that connects ideas on your own. When you prompt, it pulls in those titles which to make your design perfect. For example, add a note that says use trending adventure quotes from my knowledge garden to make this better. All of a sudden, your things are not just pretty, they are ready for the market, which makes it more likely that you will sell them. And the free plans gives you a basic storage, but the pro plan gives you a 10 million tokens for bigger libraries. So now, are you ready to automate? Turn on Agent Neo, the free with some limits autonomous sidekicks. You can say build a suite of 10 adventure POD designs with different sizes for t-shirts and hoodies and print files that are ready to go. Neo makes plans, look up trends, create the assets and puts everything in order, all while you get coffee. You can make change at any time, like add Gen Z humor to the quotes and it will work perfectly. And it really took less than 10 minutes for me to get PNG or SVGs that I could sell on Etsy. Even one ex-user said that they made $1,200 in their first month by doing a holiday line. This is totally possible if you market it well. Now Flowith does not just do design, it also does a marketing. Make a note for write catchy product description and Instagram caption for these. Check out the answers from GTP 4.0 and Cloud 3.5 right there to see who won. Then use the Composer tool to put everything together into a polished document, including designs, text, and even a simple marketing plan. Export as images or PDF files and you are ready to share on social media. Means no jumping between apps, no loss of content. It's efficient because credits cover text, images, and more. On paid plans, they refresh every month, but on free plans, they only last one. Users really love that it cuts creative grunt work by 60% to 80%, letting you focus on sales. And this setup turns Spark into steady income whether you are dropshipping or building a brand. And wow, that's the real deal. That's the Flowith workflow that has creators buzzing in 2025, turning your print-on-demand dreams into real cash with professional design in just a few minutes. So what are you waiting for? Go to Flowith.io, get the free starter plan and look for a promo code to get more credits. So what kind of designs you are going to make that will make you money? If you are excited, give this a thumbs up, tell us what you need to say in the comments and share it with your friends who is ready to crush their side hustle. Again, link in the description. Don't forget to try it out, and if you want to learn more about AI tool like this, then definitely watch this video. And before going, if you like this video, hit that like button of course, and that subscribe button too.